Welcome to this explainer. Today, we are diving deep into Prometheus. If you're not familiar, this is the completely free, open-source engine that has essentially become the absolute gold standard for monitoring modern cloud-native infrastructure. Seriously, if your organization is running any sort of modern, containerized setup, understanding this tool isn't just a nice-to-have anymore, it's absolutely essential. So let's get right into it. We really have to start with a massive headache that system administrators are facing today. Just think about modern infrastructure for a second, right? Especially those cloud-based containerized systems. They are incredibly fluid. Services are constantly starting, stopping, scaling. It's basically organized chaos. And here is the core issue. Traditional monitoring tools, they simply fly blind when confronted with this level of scale and dynamic movement. I mean, if your services are launching and terminating minute by minute, a rigid, old-school monitoring tool is going to leave you completely in the dark. The whole industry actually had to pivot because of this fundamental mismatch. Think about traditional infrastructure. You've got these static, highly predictable servers that basically just sit there in a rack for years, mostly unchanging. Now look at modern infrastructure. It is dynamic, it's container-based, and it's constantly scaling up and down based on whatever the immediate demand is. You simply cannot use a tool designed for static, predictable servers to monitor a dynamic, ever-changing environment. It's like trying to use a paper map from 1995 to navigate traffic today. Modern infrastructure desperately needed a purpose-built solution. And enter Prometheus. This was built specifically to wrangle this exact modern chaos. It actually started over at SoundCloud back in 2012, born purely out of necessity, before quickly growing into an independent open-source project. Its design hit the nail on the head so perfectly for modern needs that it became one of the founding projects of the Cloud Native Computing Foundation. It was built from the ground up to handle highly flexible environments. And best of all, it was built to do it entirely for free. So let's pop the hood, shall we? The platform itself is built around a time series database, which is optimized specifically for the massive fire hose of data that modern infrastructure generates. But the real magic here is PromQL. This is Prometheus's dedicated query language, and it's a real game changer. It lets technical teams perform incredibly sophisticated analysis and aggregation across all of that collected metric data. This is exactly what gives your team the analytical depth to truly understand what is actually happening deep inside your systems. Let's break down some of these superpowers and talk about why DevOps teams love them. First off, instead of sitting around waiting for data to be pushed to it, Prometheus uses a pull-based model to actively scrape metrics from your targets. And because it features automated service discovery, it instantly finds and tracks new targets, like those newly launched containers we talked about, the literal second they spin up. Zero manual configuration needed. Add in some deep native Kubernetes integration and a built-in alert manager for smart routing and notifications, and you essentially have a totally automated watchdog backed by a rich, multidimensional data model. Now, you might be wondering, how does this actually fit into your larger tech stack? It's really crucial to understand that Prometheus is the data engine, not the visualizer. To get those beautiful, rich, easy-to-read dashboard presentations, you pair it with a tool like Grafana. In fact, Prometheus integrates natively with Grafana, making them basically the dynamic duo of modern infrastructure monitoring. Prometheus does the heavy lifting of collecting and storing the data, and Grafana steps in to make it visible and actionable for your whole team. Okay, let's pivot to everyone's favorite topic, the budget. Commercial monitoring platforms that are built for cloud-native setups, they often carry some pretty hefty per metric or data volume pricing. And let me tell you, those costs climb incredibly quickly when you're in a dynamic, containerized environment. But remember how I said Prometheus was free? It's released under the Apache 2.0 license. That means the software costs exactly $0. Your metric volume is literally only limited by your own storage and infrastructure capacity. When you actually break down the costs side by side, the contrast is just staggering. A commercial platform for even a moderately sized container deployment could easily run a small to medium enterprise anywhere from several hundred to a few $1,000s every single month, and that scales rapidly as your data grows. Now, contrast that with self-hosted Prometheus. Assuming you have properly sized your infrastructure, you're typically looking at, maybe $50 to $150 a month, and it only scales with your storage needs. We're talking about tens of thousands of dollars in annual savings here. Let's ground this in a real-world scenario. Imagine a growing business running a bunch of containerized applications. Because they're scaling rapidly, their services are spinning up and down all day long. By deploying Prometheus, teams in this exact situation know that they finally gain monitoring that just automatically discovers and tracks those new container instances. No more manual reconfiguration every single time an instance spins up. Plus, using PromQL, they can build really sophisticated, customized alerts, like instantly knowing if error rates across a whole cluster suddenly spike past a specific threshold. So if you're sitting there dealing with expensive commercial bills and you are ready to make the jump, here's a very pragmatic, realistic migration path. Just keep in mind, your old alerting rules and dashboards won't transfer over automatically. Step 1 is simple. Run Prometheus in parallel with your existing tools for a bit to validate that it's covering everything. Step 2, invest the time to recreate your custom alerting rules using PromQL. Step 3, set up Grafana right alongside it so your team doesn't lose visibility. If you follow this highly achievable path, most organizations can knock out a completely safe full migration in just 4 to 8 weeks. Now, I want to be fully transparent with you all. Prometheus is absolutely amazing, but it isn't a magic wand. You do need to be prepared for PromQL's learning curve, which can be a bit steep, especially if your team isn't used to time series query languages. You're also going to have to carefully plan out your long-term data storage, because out of the box, it's not optimized for keeping endless years of history. And remember, without Grafana, you're visually flying blind. Finally, if your setup relies purely on traditional static servers, well, you just aren't going to get much out of its dynamic service discovery advantages. Which actually brings up a really important comparison. If your business primarily runs on that traditional, non-containerized infrastructure we talked about, a totally valid alternative like Zabbix, which takes a much broader, general-purpose approach, might actually be a better, more immediate fit for you. But if you are building modern, cloud-native infrastructure, and particularly if you are leaning heavily on Kubernetes, Prometheus is the undisputed, purpose-built industry standard. Its fundamental alignment with containerized environments just makes it a far more natural fit than trying to force a general-purpose tool to do a dynamic job. Oh, and there is also a massive strategic advantage here when it comes to data security. Self-hosting Prometheus means you get to keep all of your collected metric data entirely within your own infrastructure. You're not shipping it off somewhere else. This matters heavily for businesses that want, or need, to avoid sending highly detailed, sensitive operational metrics to third-party commercial vendors. Now, because it gives you such deep insight, you absolutely must ensure your access controls are properly configured, but at the end of the day, total data ownership is a huge win for internal security. So, to wrap things up, on a strict functionality per dollar basis, Prometheus offers just exceptional value. And when it comes to scalability, its status as the industry standard provides some serious confidence for your future growth. But, as we discussed, it does require your team to roll up their sleeves, learn PromQL, and manage their own storage. So the ultimate question for your infrastructure strategy is simply this. Is your team prepared to drop those high commercial licensing fees in exchange for mastering a remarkably powerful industry standard tool? Think about it.